Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing super healthy, tasty popsicles made with fresh fruits, without added sugars, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no preservatives. As it's summer, most of the kids are busy with summer activities. These homemade fresh fruit popsicles are very refreshing for active kids. If you are new here, welcome to Homemade Flavors. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. As it's summer and season for mangoes that are low in calories, high in nutrients and vitamin C, let's start with mango popsicles. Peel the mangoes and cut them into small sizes. Now transfer these mango slices to a mixie jar and blend them into smooth paste. Here I did not add any sugar or water, just this is the mango pulp. Now here I have this popsicle stand. I ordered this from Amazon, and if anyone wants to buy the same one, I am leaving a link in the description box. This is completely stainless steel, and there are lids also provided with the popsicle molds, and this set came along with the popsicle sticks that are made of wood, and these are use and throw popsicle sticks. We just need to insert through the lid and freeze it. I bought the stainless steel popsicle molds because I don't prefer using the plastic popsicle molds. These stainless steel molds are very safe and dishwasher safe, and they're very handy also. Now transfer the prepared mango pulp into the popsicle molds carefully. Make sure to leave little gap on the top so that it is not overflowing. After transferring the mango pulp, close the popsicle molds with the lid and then insert the popsicle sticks inside this. Here our mango popsicles are ready to go into the freezer. Now let's move on to watermelon popsicle. To prepare watermelon popsicles, slice the watermelon pieces into small cubes and transfer this watermelon slices into the mixie jar and blend it. Here our watermelon puree is ready. Here I did not add any sugar or water. It's just the watermelon slices that I blended. Now transfer this carefully into the popsicle molds and cover it with the lid and then insert the popsicle sticks. If you feel that you want more sweetness, you may add some sugar, but I don't prefer using added sugar, so I didn't add the sugars. Now let's see how to make a strawberry mango popsicle. To make the strawberry mango popsicles, I am transferring few strawberries into a mixie jar and make it into fine puree. Here we have the mango pulp and the strawberry puree. So now carefully transfer the mango pulp first. Just add very little of the mango puree to fill just 1/4 of the popsicle mold. Now here you can see this 1/4 of the popsicle mold is filled with this. Now I'm filling this same popsicle mold again with the strawberry puree. Now here, after adding the strawberry puree also, then to the remaining part of the popsicle mold, add mango puree. Make sure to leave little gap on the top so that it is not overloaded. Now cover with the lid and insert the popsicle stick. Now let's see how to make orange popsicles. To make orange popsicles, here I have the fresh oranges. Squeeze the orange juice. If you don't want to use the fresh orange juice, you may also get the store-bought one, but I prefer using the fresh orange juice. Now carefully transfer this orange juice into the popsicle molds and cover the popsicle molds with the lid and then insert the popsicle sticks. Now let's move on and see how to make the rainbow popsicles. Here I have one kiwi and fresh blueberries. Now make the blueberry purees by transferring into a mixie jar, and also same way make the kiwi puree also. Here we have all the fresh fruit purees. As we have different fruit purees ready, now let's start making the rainbow popsicle. Now take the popsicle mold and initially start with the strawberry and then kiwi. You may use any fruit that is available, but here today I have these fruits available, so I'm adding them. Now I transfer this blueberry puree, then mango puree. Here then I'm transferring this orange juice. And then finally with the watermelon. You don't have to follow the same sequence. You may follow according to your availability or your preferences. After transferring the fruit purees, cover with the lid and insert the popsicle sticks. Now let's move on and see how to make mixed fruit popsicles. To make the mixed fruit popsicles, here I have the lemonade and any fresh fruit of your choice. Here I have this soaked chia seeds. I soaked these chia seeds for about 4 to 5 hours. Now transfer this prepared lemonade. This lemonade is also homemade. I just squeezed lemon and I didn't add any sugars. I just squeezed lemon and added to water. After filling 3/4 of the popsicle mold with lemonade, now I'm transferring around 3/4 spoon of this chia seeds. I'm just pushing these chia seeds to the bottom of the popsicle mold with the help of the spoon. Now once after adding the chia seeds, now add all the fruits that you have. If you feel like adding some sugar to this lemonade, you may add some sugar as well, but I didn't add the sugars. This mixed fruit popsicle is very tasty because we are adding different fruits to the lemonade and freezing them. Here now all the molds are filled with the fruit juices and now they are ready to go into the freezer. Now carefully transfer this whole entire setup to the freezer and freeze it for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Here after 8 hours our popsicles are ready. Now these are like well frozen. I just place this each popsicle mold under the running tap water so that it's easily demolded. Here our mixed fruit popsicle is ready and all the fruits that we added are clearly visible because we added lemonade, and this looks very appetizing as well. Here comes our watermelon popsicle. And then comes the rainbow popsicle. Here each layer is clearly visible and this looks very appetizing as well. Next comes our mango strawberry popsicle. I love this popsicle because these two flavors are entirely different. Here comes our orange popsicle and this is also very tasty. Here comes my kids' favorite mango popsicle. So friends, these are a few different ideas to make super healthy tasty popsicles made with fresh fruits without added sugars, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors and no preservatives. And the best part is these are homemade, simple and easy. So try making these fresh fruit popsicles of your own choice to beat the summer heat and enjoy summer vacation. And in case if anyone wants to buy the stainless steel popsicle molds, I'm leaving the link in the description box, you may check it. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.